Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yulia Purwani. I'm from Biology class 2B. Now I will explain about English exercise 1. I will talk about state and unstatement idea. Text 1. Costs were low that year and the output high. There was a good person for each job and the market remained firm. There were no losses from fire. All in all, it was the best year in the history of the company. The main idea of text 1 is included in the state type. In sentence number 4, all in all, it was the best year in the history of the company. There is lies the main idea written directly by the writers. Sentence 4 is a summary sentence of all the text content. And sentence 1, 2, 3 are explanatory sentence. Text 2. Penicillin is one of the greatest of the wonder drugs. It has saved thousands of lives already and will save many more in the future. Unfortunately, it has no effect at all on most of the ills of mankind. Penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all. Main idea text 2 is included in the state type because obviously the writer has shared the main idea in the first sentence. By reading the first sentence, we can already know the topic that the writer wants to convey to the readers, yakni penicillin. In my opinion, main idea text 2 is in two sentences. In the first sentence and in the final sentence. Penicillin is one of the greatest of the wonder drugs, but it is certainly not a cure-all. Text 3. When I was a little girl, I took piano lesson every Monday after school. I walked to Miss Sever's house with my tethered sheet music in my school lunch stained hands. She taught me the scales, the proper way to hold my small finger, and the theme song from the Pink Panther. She also taught me much more. From her, I learned the necessity of practice, the importance of petition, and the joy of the achievement of a goal after hard work. She also gave me the gift of music. All of that was learned in a half-hour lesson on Monday afternoon in Hamel, Illinois. In my opinion, the main idea of the text 3 is including by the unstated type because it has an implied main idea. The main idea sentence is not written clearly on the text, and the writer has more than one sentence for the main idea. Jadi, ini saya katakan menurut opini saya ini itu termasuk unstated karena di sini hanya terdapat keyword, tidak ada main idea yang dituliskan secara langsung oleh si penulis. Di sini kita hanya dapat menemukan keywordnya. Nah, keyword yang kita temukan ini nanti akan dapat kita gunakan untuk menentukan topik dan akhirnya kita akan mendapatkan main idea-nya. The keyword is lesson and learn. And the topic is lesson about life and the piano learned during piano lesson. Dari keyword dan topik ini, kita akan mendapatkan main idenya, yakni piano lesson can teach person about music, love of music, and many other life lesson. Number 4. Text 4. Both plant and animal cells are very complex, yet they are very similar when compared to each other. The Venn diagram compares and contrasts plant and animal cell. It consists of cross-sectional cell diagram. Both are explanation of the same concept, but use different approaches to visually explain the information. It is interesting that there is so much diversity among living things, yet if you look at their cell, they are similar. The only real difference between a human cell, a heart cell, and a chicken cell is the kind of genetic information found inside the cell nuclei. In my opinion, the main idea of text 4 is included state type, because from the beginning to the end of the text, all sentences refer to animal cell and plant cell, both regarding similarity or differences. There are concluding, which are two main ideas of this text, and are located in the last two paragraphs. If you look at their cell, they are similar. The only real difference is the kind of genetic information found inside the cell's nuclei. Thank you for watching me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.